This Timothy Toye and Associates property video is presented by Timothy Toye. Privately tucked away but just off the highway, is your own small house with a large, level fenced yard for kids or pets to safely play under the mature trees with plenty of space for gardening. 2 bedrooms plus office or 3 bedrooms in tidy condition and a big covered porch too. You have handsome laminate floors, vaulted ceilings and central heat. The roof is recently new. An easy walk to the lake. A quiet, sheltered and handy spot you can call your own. For more information, review the details below or contact Timothy Toye at 707-928-5912.